Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you our most popular boat, so you're probably going to see me talking in a lot of videos about this one, but it's the 2020 Bennington 22 SSRX Tri-Toon with the Yamaha 150 horsepower. This boat has the metallic silver panel color with the black accent stripe, and the interior matches it perfectly with a silver Syntex base color upholstery matched with a carbon diamond pressed inlaid accent color. Of course, tinted seagrass flooring to match it. I'm gonna have Thomas hand me the phone so I can take you through the inside of it and show you a little bit more about it. Thomas, say hey.
Hey guys.
All right, y'all take a look at this new bow table design for the Benningtons. That is a removable table, of course. Here's that pillow top upholstery I was telling you about with the removable portable cup holders. This upholstery is Syntex upholstery, so it runs about 10 to 15% cooler than normal upholstery, so we can use these darker colors. Of course, I was saying these are portable cup holders, so you can place those in the boat anywhere you want. Easy maintenance on this seagrass woven vinyl flooring. Easy to clean, very cool, padded and comfortable to walk on. Take a look at the console here with the Kicker Bluetooth stereo, Garmin Striker 4 graph, full instrumentation, tilt steering wheel, the throttle binnacle located conveniently alongside the driver for a comfortable driving position. This boat does have the ever so popular captain and co-captain's chair with the stern radius seating for maximum versatility and very social seating arrangement. Of course, comes with a 10-foot long bimini top and, like all our other Benningtons, a full boat cover. Now this boat is the Tri-Toon, so it's going to perform very well. It does have a ski tow bar that's not pictured in this as well, but that will allow you to pull skiers, tubers, have all sorts of fun on all of our lakes up here in upstate South Carolina. Looking forward to seeing you, getting you on the water. Probably got one of the color that you'll like. Just give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.